Metals traded bullish yesterday with the Fed and with the Chairman Powell's, and the hopes of rate cut in the September meeting has pushed the metals higher. And already we have seen gold hitting 2458 levels and 2920 levels. Silver has hit. So what to expect today? Yes, and still there is no clear confirmation that there is a possibility of rate cut. The momentum on the upside appears to have been stabilized now. What to expect today? The NFP data tomorrow is going to add further to the volatility. So interesting day today. This is post Fed and the pre NFP move will be there today. How to profit with that? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day and with precision. Thus, press the bell icon to get the notifications. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, you look into gold, followed with silver. And friends, do like, share, and comment. It is always a great motivation. Now, if you look at gold on the hourly charts, we can clearly see that it has been trading with the support here. Look at the first rise and the bounce from the support levels, second rise and the bounce from the support levels, and then this is a third rise. It has come back to this support zone. Thus it is very important for gold to trade below 2430, 2418 levels. These are going to be two crucial levels for gold for the day. As long as it stays above this, we should not be treating this as bearish. Also, you can see the 20 period moving average is definitely a good support. So that is why I'll say 2430, 2418 is going to be one prime support zone for the day here. What has happened here on the upside also, if you look at a flat top is seen here, a wall is seen here. So it is very important for it to stay above 2452, 54 zone as well. So this is the zone where we have to be a little bit cautious. Let's have a look what it is trying to do. See, the moving averages have crossed over here. These are trading with divergence. These are staying bullish here. Stochastic has dropped sharp. The MACD, if you look at, see, first bounce, second bounce here, it is willing to cross over. A crossover here can lead to reversal, which means it can possibly move towards 2430 levels as well. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2, likewise on the 2-hour chart, the crossover here is a good sign for the bulls. Now remember, till 2400, till 2380 levels for the day, for the week, and for the near term, we should not be treating gold as bearish. That is very clear. If it is today, if it is tomorrow, next week, coming month in August, as long as it respects this zone, we should not be treating this as bearish. Now, if you look at the 2-hour charts here, also same observation. See, this channel is very important. It has to come out of it in order to confirm a reversal or a breakdown. Right now, it is very much respecting it. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought, trying to cool down. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, not cross over. The RSI staying overbought here on the 2-hour charts. Coming to 3-hour. The observation on the 3-hour charts is same. See, flat top, first bearish candle. I will wait for a breakout here. Any move below, see, 2435 itself, you can take a selling entry. Expect it to move towards 2430, 2420 levels, which is going to be a very good support. And if it breaks the zone, you can say it has turned bearish. It has to break this zone here at 2420, 2418. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 4 hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, see couple of bullish candles. One swing candle, it was outside Bollinger Bands. Now the current candle is delivering higher lows and are still looking upwards. We have to wait for a break here on the downside. If it breaks here on the downside, it stays below 2435, 36. We can expect it to move towards 2430, 2420 levels, and then a sharper correction can be expected. But right now, if you look at the crossover here in the moving average, is definitely a bullish sign, though the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for it to correct a bit. Stochastic overbought, trying to cool down. MACD divergent and bullish, RSI is staying overbought. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See the rise, the retracement. Right now also, if you connect the dots here, you will find this is still delivering lower highs, lower lows, and it is trading in this flag formation. Now where we can say that it has given a breakout. Now see, already if you look at this formation, yesterday what I mentioned, the drop, sideways formation, and a bounce back, but largely it is still in this zone. So it has to now break beyond 2470 levels in order to confirm a reversal, and a rise towards 2500 will be confirmed if it breaks beyond 2470. 70 levels. So that is going to be the first milestone. If it look at the formation in gold here, you will find it has been trading in this channel. Where are the lows of it? Towards 2400. Another fact to observe here is the rise, the retracement, and it is trying to bounce back. So if it breaks beyond 2470, we can aspire towards 2500. But I can see that the momentum is certainly diminished here. It is appearing to be a bit sluggish. On the downside now, the support levels, as I mentioned, towards 2400 is going to play a major role. Stochastic is rising now. Look at MACD. After retracing here, it is now crossed over. It is looking bullish. It is looking upwards. What we have seen, see, it has formed a base, then the rise, the retracement, and a crossover here can lead to a stronger rise. But today's candle will decide which direction it wants to take. And right now, I can say on the upside also it appears to be sluggish, and on the downside it is getting stronger resistance. So looking, a possible buying entry today is at 2448.50 zone, where you can expect 2454, 2460, and then 2470 levels are also possible on the upside, beyond which it will stay strongly bullish. Beyond 2470, for the near term, we will expect it to move towards 2500 levels. On the downside, a possible selling entry is towards 2438-36 zone. Below 2436 is where we can expect it to move towards 2430, the first support levels, and below 2430 the possibility of it moving towards 2420 levels will be very very high. Any drop below 2420 and 2480 is a sign of a crash, and then 2400 will be seen. Today, in the absence of any major data, I think we may see a range bound movement. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Silver on the hourly charts clearly trading in this bullish channel. It has to break this channel here, which means it has to trade now below 20 period moving average, which is giving it a very good support here, which also indicates if you see it is staying below 2870 levels, you can take a selling entry, but then 2860, 50, very, very good support. And rather, I will say 2860 to 2840 is going to remain an extremely important support for silver. What is happening here? Rise, then the flat top, then the coming back towards this bottom here, and now it may try to stay in the zone before rising. So this is something you can watch out for. Any breakout above and below is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic has come towards bottom. Look at the MACD. This is just crossed over, trading with very minimal divergence, which calls for it to retrace a little on the downside. RSI coming out of the overbought zone, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts now, moving averages have crossed over here. Good sign for the bulls on the 2 hour charts. Though we can see after stabilizing, it has hit the lower highs. You can also observe this. What is happening here? Drop retracement, drop retracement, drop retracement. Now it is very very important. I have mentioned yesterday, and I am sticking to it. 2950 is the level only above which I will consider silver as bullish. If you see silver any point of time staying above 2950, just stay long, just stay bullish here. Stochastic has dropped from the overbought zone. MACD is still bullish, trying to converge. RSI is just coming out of the overbought zone. On the 3 hour chart, similar observation. See, post a reversal sign, first breakout candle. I will wait if there is a second candle here. If at all there is a second candle which appears, possibly it could keep moving towards 2860, 2850 zone. Very, very good support in this zone exists. That is, rather, I will say 2860 and 40, because below that it may move below 2820 levels. So that is the first part to it. Yes, it is the first bearish candle. I will wait if at all there is a second bearish candle to follow. Though the crossover in the moving average is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic overbought. MACD is also divergent and bullish, and it is still room for it on the upside. RSI near to top here. On the 4 hour, the observation is more or less same. See, a flat base 2880 levels proven out to be a very good support for now. See, earlier I have mentioned 2875.80 is going to remain a good resistance. Now this is going to be a good support, because below that 2840-60 zone will come into picture, and that will get achieved, and that is going to act as a stronger support as well. If you look at the formation, I can still see lower highs here, so I will still not turn bullish as long as a 2950 is not taken. The stochastic overbought, MACD rising, RSI near to top. Coming to daily chart. Now look at daily charts. What has happened? The prices are divergent from the 20 period. It has converged towards the 20 period moving average. The moving averages are trading with divergence. This has just crossed over. Remember, once again, I am highlighting this fact. This crossover has come after 4 months. So this crossover is here to stay, and thus the possibility of stronger momentum on the upside for silver, I am still being doubtful of it, which means it is going to be difficult for the month of August for silver to break beyond 31 $32 levels. That is the only level above which you can say now silver has reversed, because see, that will again cross over on the upside. But right now it is trading bearish. Yes, it was divergent from the 20 period. It is converged here. After hitting the lower highs, it is trying to reverse. So I will say possibility of a retracement exists if it trades below 28.75 levels. Stochastic rising, MACD bearish trying to converge. RSI is flat. So now look at MACD. This is interesting. MACD was here trading with divergence and bearishness. Now it is converging. If it crosses over, this can lead to a stronger rise. Right now, I can see it is shying away from it. Let's see if it crosses over. Looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver only if you see it is staying above 29.10, where you can expect it to move towards 29.30, 29.50 levels, and any break beyond 29.50, the clear sign of bullish reversal, where we can aim for $30 levels very, very soon. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 28.75, where below 28.75 the chances of 28.60, 28.40 zone is very, very high, and this is going to be an extremely important support zone for silver for the day. Any move below 28.60 and 40 will confirm the drop towards $28 levels very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And do not miss to watch the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.